Students, this is the 8th chapter from the book My English Garden, and the chapter name is The Shadow. So before we start this chapter, I want to ask you a question and you need to answer also. And of course, this is a very simple question and you would love answering it. So the question is, do you believe in magic? क्या आपका विश्वास मैजिक में है? If some magician comes in your locality, in your village or nearby your place, so do you go to see that? क्या आप उसको देखने के लिए जाते हैं? And whatever activities he does, so do you believe that it is happening in the reality or it is just all about some tricks? क्या आपको लगता है कि रियल में मैजिक होता है या फिर वो सिर्फ एक ट्रिक्स होती हैं और इट्स अ रिजल्ट ऑफ लॉट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस का रिजल्ट होता है एंड दे what do they whatever do before us, it is all not real. So what do you say? Do you believe or not? And if you go to watch the magic show or if some magician comes to see, आप जाते हो उसको देखने के लिए, then why do you go? Do you like it and do you want to see it whether it is true or it is false? So whatever you feel while watching it, while seeing it, just do tell your answer when you watch this video. So now we are going to get started with the chapter. Jigmet wants to learn magic from Gojia Pasha, a skillful master but very cunning in nature. Let's read to find out whether Jigmet is successful or not. So now in this chapter there is a boy Jigmet and who wants to learn magic, जिसको magic सीखना है, and from whom he wants to learn? Gojia Pasha. So Gojia Pasha is a character or is a magician who is very cunning, who is very clever, and he tries to play some tricks upon Jigmet. उसके साथ कुछ चालबाजी करता है. So let's see whether he is successful, whether the magician who is cunning is successful or not. उसको सफलता मिलती है नहीं मिलती है अपने चाल में. We'll see in this chapter. When Jigmet's grandfather died, he left young Jigmet a purse full of money. Jigmet decided to use the money to learn magic. I'm going to learn magic from Master Gojia Pasha, he told his parents. Now, what happens in the beginning? Some tragedy has happened with Jigmet, and while dying, his grandfather gives a purse full, a little amount of money to Jigmet. उसको उसके ग्रैंडफादर जब वो उनकी डेथ हो रही होती, व्हेन ही इज़ अबाउट टू डाई, वो अपने ग्रैंडसन को कुछ पैसा दे के जाते हैं, एक पर्स दे के जाते हैं. एंड व्हाट जिगमेट डिसाइड्स, ही डिसाइड्स टू लर्न मैजिक फ्रॉम गोजिया पाशा विद दैट मनी, जो उनको ग्रैंडफादर ने दी थी. तो उस मनी से वो कहते हैं कि जिगमेट कहता है कि मैं इससे मैजिक सीखूँगा पाशा से. Now he says to his parents that I am going to learn magic from Gojia Pasha. But what do his parents say? उसके parents क्या कहते हैं? Don't do that. His father told him. People say that Gojia Pasha is in league with the devil. Now, what does his father say to him? His father warns him that do not go there and don't make him your teacher for learning magic, because people talk about some wrong things about Pasha. He says that people say that he is in the contact with devil. वो बुराई के साथ उसका कुछ contact है, वो कुछ गलत चीज़ों में involved है. His parents tried to stop him, but Jigmet refused to listen. But finally what happens? Jigmet does not listen to his parents and he ignores or he refuses that whatever you say parents, I will not listen to you, what I have decided I'll follow it. वो कहता है कि जो मैंने decide किया है मैं वही करूँगा. So he marched up to Master Gojia Pasha's house and knocked loudly at his front door. Now finally what happens? He goes to Master Gojia Pasha's house. He goes there and he meets Gojia Pasha, and what does he do? When he reaches his home, he knocks at the door loudly. बहुत ज़ोर से उसका दरवाज़ा खटखटाता है. Okay children, we have covered 2 paragraphs. Now I want you to answer. How does Jigmet get that money? Now you need to pause this video and think of an answer. इसका आंसर क्या होगा कि उसको पैसे कहाँ से मिले. Why does Jigmet want to go to Pasha? वो पाशा के पास क्यों जाना चाहता है? What is his purpose going to Gojia Pasha? Now third question you need to answer. Why does Jigmet's father refuse him or stop him going or learning magic from Gojia Pasha? उसके फादर क्यों मना करते हैं कि गौजिया पाशा के पास मत जाना? We have just read all the answers in these paragraphs and you need to answer. See children, this is the activity. If you just you don't pause the video, आप इसको सुनते रहते हो, बराबर सुनते रहते हो, आप वीडियो पॉज करके आंसर नहीं सोचते हो, then you will be at loss only. Now I'm going further. Gili Gili, what do you want? Asked Gojia Pasha, opening the front door. Now as Jigmet knocks at the door loudly, the magician Pasha comes saying Gili Gili and asks him, what do you want me to do? तुम मुझसे क्या चाहते हो? Master Gojia Pasha's I want to learn all that you can teach me, said Jigmet. Now Jigmet says to him that I want to learn magic from you. What all you can teach me? जितना आप मुझे सिखा सकते हो, please teach me magic. That will cost a great deal of money, said Gojia Pasha. Now Gojia Pasha says to him, I will not teach you free of cost. It will cost a great amount of money. It means you will have to give me a good fees, a big amount of fees. Then only I will teach you magic and all. अब जो पाशा होता है वो कहता है बिना फीस के I will not teach you. You need to give me fees. Jigmet handed him the purse full of money. Now Jigmet, he has come with the same money, purseful money, which was given by his grandfather. So he has come with that money, and what he does, he hands over all money to the magician. Pasha magician को वो सारा money दे देता है. Then what happens? Gojia Pasha led him inside a huge hall covered with large window. Now Gojia Pasha क्या करते हैं? He takes him to the huge hall, a big hall that is covered with a large window. एक hall में लेके जाते हैं जो कि पूरा एक बड़ी सी window से cover होता है. I'm willing to make you my people. वो कहता है now because he has taken all money, वो उससे पैसे ले रहा है. और पाशा जो magician है, what he says to Jigmet, he says that after taking money, पैसा लेकर क्या कहता है, I also want to make you my pupil. बेटा children, pupil means students and the person who learns, जो सीखता है उसको pupil बोलते हैं, शिष्य जिसे हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं. So finally both of them have agreed कि हाँ वो पाशा agrees for teaching and Jigmet agrees for learning. So in the next video we'll see that what all happens and how does he teach and how does he learn, how does no magician teach and how does Jigmet learn all the things, and what all tricks he plays on Jigmet, right? Okay, now the next question I want to ask you from the next paragraph. What does Pasha ask him to pay? पाशा उससे क्या पे करने को कहता है, एंड वाई डज ही आस्क फॉर मनी और फॉर फीस, वो फीस क्यों मांगता है? नाउ दीज टू क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू आंसर, एंड देन लेट मी जस्ट टेल यू द हार्ड वर्ड्स और द न्यू वर्ड्स. In the first line there is no word which you do not know. Purseful means a small amount of money या फिर एक बैग जो पैसे से भरा हो. एंड इन द सेकेंड लाइन इन लीग ऑफ. इन लीग ऑफ का मतलब होता है इन कॉन्टैक्ट विद, किसी चीज़ के कॉन्टैक्ट में आना या फिर किसी के टच में रहना. और डेविल का मतलब होता है शैतान, ईविल जो होते हैं. And in the third paragraph, refuse means to deny, मना कर देना. march का मतलब होता है to move on. जब when we go for parade वहाँ पर march पास करते हो तो march का मतलब होता है to move ahead, आगे की तरफ बढ़ना. and knock का मतलब दरवाज़ा खटखटाना. and गिली गिली, of course these two words are produced by the magician. जो आपने सुना होगा, जो magician होता है उनका एक कोई ना कोई कुछ पेटेंस डायलॉग होते हैं, पेट डायलॉग्स होते हैं, सॉरी. and there is a phrase written, cost you a great deal. cost you a great deal का मतलब है तुम्हें बहुत महंगा पड़ेगा, तुम्हें इसके लिए भारी रकम चुकानी पड़ेगी. दिस विल कॉस्ट यू अ ग्रेट डील ऑफ मनी. हैंडेड हिम. हैंडेड का मतलब है अपने हाथ से कोई चीज़ किसी को दे देना. सो हैंड गिव समबडी समथिंग, सो हैंड समबडी समथिंग. एंड देन ह्यूज का मतलब होता है बिग, बड़ा सा. लार्ज अगेन बिग. एंड विंडो वी ऑल नो. लेड हिम का मतलब होता है लेकर जाना, टू टेक हिम टू टेक समवन टू समवेयर. एंड विल का मतलब होता है टू डिज़ायर, टू जब हम किसी चीज़ की वांट करते हैं, डिज़ायर करते हैं. पीपल मीन्स स्टूडेंट, और जिसको सीखना होता है कुछ. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट दिस वीडियो चिल्ड्रन. Soon you will get the another video. Thank you children.